swim and cheese. I am cat. I am a purring cat with soft fur, a whiskery nose, and a cozy nap in a sunny window. I am a cracky duck. I love to splash in the water. I am a tall camel with a hump on my back, a sandy journey, and a goofy grin in the desert. I am a tiny ant with strong legs, a busy attitude, and a love for teamwork in the anthill. I am a clever fox with a bushy tail, a quick trot, and a curious nose for exploring the woods. I am a giraffe. I have a long neck and I love to eat leaves from the trees, reaching up high with my funny tongue. I am Hippo. I have a big body and friendly smile, and I love to swim and play in the water. I am kangaroo. I love to walk around carrying my baby in a cozy pouch for a fun ride. I am a nocturnal owl with white eyes, a silent flight, and a hoo that fills the quiet night. I am monkey. I swing from tree to tree, and I love to eat yummy bananas. I am a cuddly panda with black and white fur, a bamboo stick, and a sleepy nap in the bamboo forest. I am peacock. I have beautiful feathers that make a rainbow, and I love to dance and spin around to make everyone happy. I am penguin. I am a wobbly black and white penguin with a tummy that loves sliding on the ice and a beak that's always ready for a swim. I am a fluffy white sheep with cozy wool and a happy bar. I am a big orange tiger with fluffy fur and a loud, friendly roar. I am zebra. I love to run and play on the grassy place. I love to show off my black and white stripes. I am a friendly dog with a wagging tail, a furry coat, and a bark that says, "Let's play," and give lots of slobbery kisses. I am a slow turtle with a shell on my back, a wrinkly neck, and a steady crawl in the green grass. I am rabbit. I hops around, twitching my nose, and I enjoy nibbling on tasty carrots. I am lion. I am the king of the jungle. I am a mighty lion with a golden mane and a loud roar. I am cat. I am a purring cat with soft fur, a whiskery nose, and a cozy nap in a sunny window. I am peacock. I have beautiful feathers that make a rainbow, and I love to dance and spin around to make everyone happy. I am a tiny ant with strong legs, a busy attitude, and a love for teamwork in the anthill.